This is just a sort of here we are video. So here we are. That bottom cylinder was getting water in it, and you can still see there's some water in it. We don't see any place that the head gasket is definitely blown on that, but you can see where water's been getting into that cylinder while it's clean, sort of like steam cleaning it. This is what you'd expect it to look like, and that one just had a little cleaning on it, not too much, but there's no evidence of a definite blown head gasket, but there is definite evidence, along with the water that was squirting out of the cylinder when we turned it over, that there's been water. And it was really hard to get these bolts out. We had to work them just a quarter of a turn at a time because they were just rusted into the, you don't want to break any of those off and create a problem. But where we might be going, since that doesn't show to be bad, is into the side cover plate, because you have water and you have exhaust, and so if you have water and exhaust in here, if you let it sit, water will migrate into the cylinder, and it was only in the bottom one, so there's a good chance that there's a plate inside of here that's got a hole in it that's allowing water to go into the intake. But that's where we are. The compression turned out to be good. There's no scoring on the cylinder walls. And if you look at that, I turned it a minute ago. You can see once again where you've been getting some water coming in through there because the edges are clean. So at this point, it's just a call where we go next. And we're going to definitely put another head gasket on it, and then try to avoid at all costs taking that plate off, because those are quarters right there, and when you try to take those off, you usually break out about usually about a third of them will break when you try to do it, so you have to drill them out and retap them, and we don't want to go there.